The DBF-120 Discontinuous block foaming machine from FinCorp is an easy-to-use, reliable system for producing foam blocks across a range of densities. This machine handles flexible and rigid polyurethane foam as well as HR and memory foam, making it ideal for furniture, bedding, and similar industries. During operation, accurately measured ingredients such as polyol, TDI, amine, silicone, water, tin, and methylene chloride in the case of low-density foam are delivered to a mixing chamber. The freshly blended mixture is then dispensed into a rectangular mold where it rapidly expands from liquid to a full-sized foam block. Some of the many advantages include low cost and quick installation, efficient and accurate use of chemicals, ability to produce multiple foam densities, sturdy and compact design that saves floor space, high-quality European components for longer service life, and straightforward controls that require minimal training. The DBF has a 120-liter capacity, around 150 kilograms, complete with weighing and computer control systems, a touchscreen, and a dual-way setup. Molds can be made to various sizes, and both the water flush system and air pump filling system come standard. The DBF-120 Discontinuous block foaming machine from FinCorp.